Hello, some changes to come in the week ahead. For this afternoon, though, more of what we've been used to recently. Still some warmth and sunshine around. This was taken not so long ago in Bude in Cornwall. Meanwhile, further east, there's been more cloud through this morning. It's already thinning and breaking, so most of us will see some bright or sunny spells through the rest of the day. But there's still some thunderstorms in the forecast, particularly for eastern and southern Scotland. Some of those already filtering down into Northumberland and will move further south into parts of northern England. A few sharp showers for Wales and southwest England. Otherwise, mainly dry, some warm spells of sunshine, helping temperatures up to between 19 and 24 Celsius, perhaps 25 in southeast England and London. But here's some more detail on those thundery showers. Further east than they were yesterday, but still potential for a flash of lightning, a rumble of thunder, some hailstones. As I mentioned, some of those getting further down into parts of northern England. A few sharp showers for Wales, southwest England, perhaps a few local thunderstorms for the Channel Islands, but otherwise it's a dry afternoon. Some warm spells of sunshine and a fine end to the day. There'll still be a few showers lingering through this evening and overnight, chiefly across eastern parts of Scotland, maybe a few just still flirting with southwest England. Otherwise dry, some clear spells before that cloud starts to fill back in as the night wears on. Temperatures on a par with last night, 9 to 14 Celsius the overnight low. Still quite a muggy, humid feel for central and southern England. For much of England and Wales tomorrow, looks to be mainly dry. Again, there'll be some spells of sunshine. Should be largely dry for Northern Ireland, fairly cloudy here, and more cloud across Scotland, bringing some patchy rain through the afternoon. A few afternoon showers across the Pennines, maybe for Wales and southwest England. Otherwise dry, again, feeling on the warm side. As we go from Monday into Tuesday, we're under a brief ridge of high pressure. Notice how the winds are starting to come down from the north. So it will be a slightly cooler day on Tuesday, despite it being mainly dry, some bright or sunny spells, and the winds at least will be on the light side. There'll be a fair amount of cloud around once again for Northern Ireland and Scotland, but aside from a shower, should be a largely dry and fairly quiet day. But notice the drop in temperature, highs between 17 and 21 Celsius. Now for England and Wales as we go into Wednesday, just about staying dry. Look what's happening out in the Atlantic, a front heading our way. So through Wednesday, that's going to strengthen the winds, increase the cloud and eventually bring some outbreaks of rain into Northern Ireland and western parts of Scotland later on Wednesday. Further south, a bit more cloud around, but still some bright or sunny spells and actually still on the warm side across central and southern England. Temperatures getting up to around 22 or 23 Celsius. But this is where all the activity happens, is Wednesday night into Thursday. Notice this deep area of low pressure, the isobars tightly packed together, strengthening winds. Could well see gales across parts of Scotland as we go through Thursday morning, and some heavy outbreaks of rain slowly slipping their way southeastwards through Thursday. By the time it gets down to southeast England, not much left on it, but it does introduce a much fresher feel across the country. Behind that rain band, sunny spells, a few showers, a brisk wind, and temperatures dropping to between 17 and 21 Celsius, feeling cooler underneath the cloud and the rain. So through Thursday and into Friday, pick up much more of an Atlantic influence, so a cooler feel, particularly for Northern Ireland and Scotland. But on Friday, well, we end the week on a fairly quiet note. There'll be some spells of sunshine around, and aside from an isolated shower, it should be largely dry, but just feeling a little bit cooler, although still across central and southern England, temperatures getting up to 20 or 21 Celsius. So for the week ahead, a warm and dry start, but through the end of the week, it does turn a little bit more unsettled. Bye-bye.